Good evening, folks. Cold front is on the move, and with that front, we expect much chillier temperatures to build into the valley. See if you can find it on that map. As you take a look at it, temperatures right now are falling in the Laredo area into the 60s, and it's going to continue to cool. The front sitting right here, right now, and continuing to push southward. Again, Laredo's dropped into the 60s with a north wind at about 20 miles an hour. But it's not here yet. It'll be here later tonight and early tomorrow, and probably getting some light rain and drizzle with it. Now let's look. Here's where our temperatures are right now. We're in the mid-70s. Won't see these readings again until probably Sunday. We'll get close on Saturday, but we're going to be much cooler the rest of the week. Watch Future Track, 3 o'clock in the morning, and Future Track may be a little slow because the front's moving pretty quickly. By 3 a.m., it's knocking on the door. By 7 a.m., it's about two-thirds of the way through the valley, and temperatures have dropped into the upper 50s and low 60s, and by 10 a.m., it has cleared the coast. And again, this could be a little slow, if anything. Front continues to move away. By noon, temperatures still only in the low 60s, perhaps cooler than that. Typically, with fronts like this, temperatures drop in a hurry and then just don't rebound. I think that could happen tomorrow. Could be in the 50s pretty much all day long. Certainly by 10 o'clock it is. And by Thursday morning, we're in the 50s, and we just stay there all day. There's noon. Notice things didn't move, and by 6 o'clock, readings go down a little bit. It looks like the coldest night will be Thursday night, Friday morning, when readings drop into the 40s. And Friday, we won't rebound much more than the 50s. Again, another cold day. So if you look at this, 62 and falling tomorrow, 54 both Thursday and Friday after dropping into the 40s. And then we bounce back to 65 on Saturday, 80 on Sunday. We're into the 80s for next week. Nighttime lows bounce back up. So we drop way below normal for the next 4 days. Here's your cloud cover, and you don't see much yet. Just a few clouds beginning to show up. Future Track shows a couple of showers with the front, but not much more than just some light rain and drizzle. We don't expect anything bigger than that. Then the cooler temperatures build in. The clouds stick around. Light rain and drizzle sticks around. And it just stays with us then all the way through Wednesday, Thursday, probably into Friday as well. It's just messy for about 3 days. Front to the north of us, again, Laredo's dropped to 65. Front just went through there. It's through Victoria. It's through San Antonio. 36 in Lubbock, 52 in Dallas tonight. Lots of clouds, lots of rain behind the front, and that will all kind of settle down into the region as the front pushes through. Low pressure does develop on the front tomorrow. Gets stronger tomorrow night into Thursday. That pushes a second surge of cool air in on Thursday. Then that helps reinforce the air mass that's here, so we don't warm up probably until Saturday, even into Sunday. So this is what it looks like for tonight. Mostly cloudy, coastal fog and drizzle, and I think 55, but we don't get there until after the front goes through. We stay in the low 70s most of the night. Then tomorrow, no warmer than 62. Readings fall during the day. Most of the day will be spent in the 50s. In the 50s all day Thursday and all day Friday with light rain and drizzle. Probably not a whole lot to measure, but there'll be wet streets out there. Saturday, we bounce back to 65, but it's still cloudy. Sunday, finally, we're back to 80, and we'll be there into the middle part of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Hey, Joel.